Stop. Before you open any crypto account, watch this first. Welcome to the Michelinas channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up on Binance Global, one of the most widely used crypto exchanges in the world. And in our next video, I'll also cover Binance Turkey, the version built specifically for Turkish users. The good news? If you create a Binance Global account, you can actually use the same login for Binance TR as well. So let's get into it. I'll drop the Binance link below this video. Click it and you'll land directly on their website. Once you're there, hit the register button at the top right. You'll see options to sign up with your phone, email, Google, or Apple account. Now here's something important. If you register through the link I provide below, you'll get an extra $100. That's 100 USDT as a commission rebate. What does that mean exactly? Binance charges fees on every trade you make. But if you sign up through my link, those fees won't apply until you've traded around $10,000 to $15,000 worth of crypto. So it's a pretty solid bonus just for signing up the right way. One registration page. Select email at the top, enter your email address, and create a password. You'll also see an optional referral ID field. If you come through my link, this will already be filled in automatically. If not, just enter the code from the description manually. After that, confirm the options at the bottom and click Create Personal Account. Binance will send a verification code to your email. Enter it, hit Submit, and your Binance Global account is live. That's honestly how simple it is. After registration, Binance will ask you to complete verification. Just your country, name, and a few basic details. You can do it right away or come back to it later. Either way, once that's done, you have full access to everything the exchange offers. Alright, that's it for today. Binance Global, done. Next video, we're covering Binance Turkey, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If this helped, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next one.
You will earn an extra bonus and also not pay crypto commission. If you come through the link I provided, this section will already be filled in automatically. After confirming the options at the bottom, we click the Create Personal Account button and it will send a verification code to our email. After entering the verification code from the email, we click Submit and we will have opened our Binance Global account. Opening a Binance crypto account is that simple. This is how we register on the exchange. Here, it will ask us for verification. If you want, you can complete the verification process, or if you want, you can do it later. Here, we have created our registration. Now, when we click the Verify section, the things it will ask from us are very simple. It will ask where we live, our name, surname, and similar information. You can complete these immediately and register. For example, I live in Turkey, so you will enter Turkey here again. After registering and logging in, the Welcome to Binance section appears here. In this simple way, we can create our account, register, and log in, friends. Opening an account was that easy. After that, you can use all the features on this exchange. That is all from me for today. I showed you how you can open an account on Binance Global. In our next video, I will show you how to open an account on Binance Turkey. If you liked the video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. You can like our video and subscribe to our channel. Take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Bye-bye.